Donna and welcome to Budget Friendly Recipes. Today we're going to do one of my children's favorite potato pizzas. That's how they called. My mom used to make it for them and they absolutely loved it. It's very simple to make. You will just need the grater, potatoes, tomatoes, mozzarella, and a little bit of parsley and little shallots if you want. You can skip that if you don't want it. I don't usually add that, but they like to use. So, very simple. We start grating the potatoes. You have to be very careful with that, not to grate your fingers. It's a little hard. If you have a food processor that has that attachment, it'll be easier, but I don't know, I just like for a couple of potatoes, I don't want to take my food processor out and make it dirty and wash it. So this is kind of easier for me to wash. Okay, see, it's really is not that hard. So you don't have to grate the last part. I'm going to use just 2 potatoes this time and see how many potato pancakes we make. So it's like potato latkes, but we kind of jazz up with little tomatoes and cheese, and I don't know who created that and how, but when my kids were little, my mom used to make that, and they call it grandma's pizzas. So Sopo, if you want to come and help me, that would be great. If not, you want to grate that, potatoes?
Yes, sure.
So
They're
this
actually
is
my favorite.
Sophie. Yeah, that's her favorite. So that's why she agreed to.
No, she actually asked me a lot, so that's why I agreed.
Okay, you want to finish that? All right, I'm heating my skillet, and we need to kind of hit it. You don't want to put your latkes, your potatoes, on the cold pan. I think that's enough, Sabri.
Yeah.
So have you ever done that by yourself, or
Yeah,
no?
no, I have.
Yeah. How do you do that when you?
I actually add some carrots too.
Yeah, I remember my mom used to add carrots.
And also like I mix it. I'll mix some egg. And,
do you need to add egg?
Yeah, it's really good. It has consistency and it's more sticky.
Okay. You think if we don't add eggs, like it will like fall apart?
Not really, but it's better.
We have some farm fresh eggs from my farmer friends, One Heinz. They are beautiful. We grated 2 potatoes, 1 carrot, medium-sized carrot. And
mix the egg.
Do you need to squeeze the juice out?
Juice out? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna clean after her. Because every kid, they don't like clean after themselves.
That's not true. I clean after myself whenever I cook.
Because when you live by yourself, like if you live here, of course you would leave it for me.
Yeah, because you're here, obviously.
Yeah. Okay.
We can't have 2 responsible people in the house, you know.
Alright, so we're making little patties. So, but don't disappoint me. You can do it.
So much pressure.
Press it down.
Okay. Yeah, there we go.
Seems easier.
Or you can take it loosely, like
Oh my
that.
god, no.
Yeah. How about that?
I guess.
Yeah.
That could work too.
Yeah. There we go.
Sure. Mine's prettier though.
Of course.
It's prettier than me. Oh my god, I haven't had this for so long.
I know. Did you make it when you were here? Like
No, I've never made it here, only in Georgia.
And how old you were when you were making it in
Very
Georgia?
young.
Come on, yeah.
Like less than 13 probably.
Like how old you were when you started cooking there?
Oh, 6 or 7 I think.
Oh my god, yeah. You're slicing the tomatoes. Make sure it's thinly sliced.
Yeah, we need a little texture too.
Yeah, but you
It's thin enough.
time.
Just look at this.
You need time to cook
Mother.
it down. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so
Alright,
bossy.
we're gonna flip them.
You want to let the cheese melt.
Seriously, I thought you have to cook the tomatoes.
Yes,
too.
you do, but like you want to let the cheese melt before the tomato juice gets on it. Oh, duh. Where are my herbs?
How long do we need to have that?
Just for a couple of minutes. Maybe 1 or 2.
So what does it have to happen with the tomatoes? Like soften a little bit? or-
Yeah, just a little bit.
All right. So we don't usually set up timer, and for that you have to just go with the flow and see if it's ready or not. They look
Feel the
beautiful.
vibe.
Yep. Yep. There we go.
Lovely.
Nice.
Our lovely potato pizzas. Can't wait to eat them all. Thank you for having me in your show, Mother.
Thank you for making that. I'm
been
so
a
happy that you were
pleasure.
here and we had a chance to hang
so
out.
much fun.
Yeah.
Always.
and pretend that we love each other.
Stop! I love you so much. I love her so much. She's like the best mom ever.
That's what I wanted to hear. Yeah. That's what I
She's
did
fishing
that.
for compliments.
All right, so we did
Can I try
our
it now?
potato. Oh yeah, of course. See, like I always forget to try. So
I don't know how she
I never
does that.
tried.
Like,
do you want a fork or knife?
I have
Knife.
a fork.
Knife. I mean knife.
Way ahead of you, Mother.
No, I mean knife.
I do need a knife.
Yeah. I mean, it's really good even when it's cold, like room temperature, like after you make it and you have leftovers, and at night you come home and you see the couple of potato pizzas hanging there, you just pop it in your mouth, or you wake up in the morning and you feel like, okay, let me have a little bite. So it's pretty good. Yeah. Sorry. See, that's why I don't like eating it like in front of camera. Like it just, you don't know what's gonna happen.
It's great.
Trip it. Is
It's
it good?
wonderful.
Is it good?
There's a little bit of salt.
I told you the
I don't know.
tomatoes needed
No,
salt.
I added some salt.
Well, it's okay. That's the point of cooking. Like you have to
Yeah.
taste it and see and adjust it to your taste. All right. If you like this episode, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.
And feel free to request me in the show.
Oh man.